Alex, our view on humanity and data, and Tartle's view on humanity and data?
Well, they're one and the same, because data is humanity speaking.
Mm-hmm.
It is humanity's interaction with one another. And so when you take the humanistic approach, when you look at what it means to be a human being and you apply that model or structure to how Tartle functions as a whole and treating the person with that value that they deserve to be treated with, the data is just speaking for them in a digital format.
Right. It's the totem pole.
Yeah, it's their totem pole.
Yes.
The data packet on Tartle that's the totem pole. The data categories, it's the whole thing.
Right.
The whole kit and caboodle.
Right.
It's the whole family history.
Right.
Now it's their turn to share it. When you go to that individual on Tartle and you ask them about that family history, they'll share it with you if they want to.
Right.
But do not lop it down or take it from them, assume control of it.
Yes.